स्ट्रीट प्रोव्हिडन्स ह्या NGO सरकाराच्या असहकार्याक लागून रस्त्यार येवचे पडले. संस्थेचे डोनाल्ड फर्नांडीस आणि बाकीचे सहाय्यक सगळ्या पेशंटांक घेऊन आझाद मैदानार एकठी झाले.
He is also parameter are shaking. Why should he shake because of them? If people think NGOs are making money, तुम्ही घरा घालान घे ना पैसे. पण कोण नेगेटिव्ह कमेंट मारता न्हू तो एक प्रॉब्लेम आहे. तुझं मेंटल डिसेबिलिटी आहे म्हणून तू नेगेटिव्ह कमेंट मार. तुका मॅटर खबर आसता नेगेटिव्ह आमकां काय लागना रे. आम्ही खूप पळयले. सांगता तिचे डिसिजन तो फॉर्म आहा त्याला हांव म्हाजे डिसिजन फॉर्म आहा हांव कोणाची घेवंक शकना. म्हाजी हो फाला एका पुलिस स्टेशन एका म्हापसा पुलिस स्टेशन प्लस आमचो जण एडमीट आसलो बिकॉज ऑफ द ब्रेथ विनर आसलो. सो आमी ताका फिजिओथेरपी घेवन ताका जी आतां चलपाचें हे स्टेजीर आहा तो एक दीस उलयल्लो 2 वर्सांनी एक दीस उलयल्लो. तो एक दीस तेणी अशेंच म्हटलेलें तेच हांव आमकां खबर मागीर काय उलयलें तुवें बाजारांत तो भोंवतालो आनी थिंगान न्हिदतालो खूब वर्सां. आतां तरी सुदारला तो. पयलीं इतलो अग्रेसीव आसलो इतलो अग्रेसीव आता तो वखद घेवन तो जावना तो वयतलो वय ताचें घर पडलें कोण ना थिंगा. ताका 3 भयणी आहा ती भयणी कॉन्टेक्ट करिना आमकां. हो गणेश शिरोडकर हो शिरोडाचो आतां बस स्टँडार न्हिदता. हो आमकां शिरोडा पुलीस स्टेशन 2-3 फावटी ताका हाडून दिलो. बिकॉज ऑफ अ पर्टिक्युलर सिच्युएशन ही इज द ओल्डेस्ट रेसिडेंट विथ अस एंड ही इज फ्रॉम ओल्ड गोवा. देर इज अ पर्टिक्युलर इश्यू विथ हिम विच कॅनॉट बी सॉल्व्ड एंड ही रिक्वायर्स 24/7 certain things to keep this system moving. If you stop at 24/7, you'll get into offense. So we cannot tell you what is his sickness because it cannot be spoken publicly. But it is a complicated story. Now where will he go?
त्यांचे म्हणणे असले की कितलेशेच महिने झाले सरकाराकडल्यान मदत मेळोंक नसल्या कारणान संस्था चलोवप कठीण जाला. संस्था आता अडचणीत येयल्ली आसा. त्यांचे म्हणणे असले की हे सगळे पेशंट गोवा पोलीस आणि वेगवेगळ्या आमदारांनी आमच्या सुपूर्द केल्ले आसा आणि आमी त्यांचे केअर घेता. आता आमी तांकां सगळ्यांक व्हरोन पणजे पुलीस स्टेशनार सोडटा अशें म्हणून तेंच्यांनी आपलो मोर्चा पणजे पुलीस स्टेशना सायडीन वळयलो.
We are now far away from that word agitation. We have done earlier, and we have requested for some relief.
So this is not the agitation.
Agitation. This is just very simple.
Yeah.
See, all these people were brought by the police from different police stations. Correct? Now we have brought them here in the Panjim police station, and we are requesting the Panjim police station, you please send them to whichever police station they had brought them. Because we don't have the money now. Cost of petrol is there, cost of tribals are there, all this. So we are in a very deep situation. 28th of July 2025, there was a front page ad that came on the Navin Times and also Herald. Okay, and there we have said that police, you have brought them, please come and take them. Yomana. Then 1 month in advance, Donald has communicated to the DYSP, to the SPs, to PIs, and telling them, no, now here you come and PI is missing. When he was told yesterday everything. Come down all on social welfare department. Social welfare social welfare daram bonha. Okay, आम्ही किती करतो वंटी कोणे बोलव पाहिजे तिका नाल तर सोशल वेलफेअर कोणता हा पडतो कोणी सांगला सोशल वेलफेअर ते डायरेक्टर आपण आणू. ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशन अँड दी मिनिस्टर्स हॅव रिमेन्ड डम. कोण काय उलयना आमकडे काय उलयना.
पोलीस स्टेशनार वचून तेंच्यांनी आपली व्यथा मांडली की आमी 1 म्हयनो पयलीं तुमकां कळयल्लें की सगळ्या पेशंटांक तुमी घेवन वचा. अनुदान मेळोंक नसल्या कारणान संस्था चलोवप कठीण जाल्लें आसा. पयल्या फावट असलो मोर्चा हाताळटाना पोलीस डिपार्टमेंट सुद्दां गोचीत येयलें.
We have to all the applications.
All the SPs have brought
we have got the letters.
They have given. So you take and all you see nobody can do. You transport them to the different police station.
तेज्या उपरांत वेगवेगळ्या अधिकाऱ्यांकडे उलोवणे केल्या उपरांत डोनाल्ड फर्नांडीस हेंच्यांनी सांगलें की मुख्यमंत्र्यान तांकां आश्वासन दिलां की 2 दिसांनी कितें ते करतलो. तेंच्यांनी आरोप लायलो की कोण तरी मुख्यमंत्र्यांचे कान भरता आनी आमचें अनुदान आडायता. मुख्यमंत्र्यान हेची स्वता दखल घेवची आनी आमकां न्याय दिवचो.
The Honorable Chief Minister is aware of the problem. Certain forces are misguiding the Chief Minister. That is why after 3 weeks running, they cannot produce any evidence to tell the Chief Minister of Goa that this NGO is not a good NGO. It is a sad part. DYSP told me, they are saying, these forces are saying that you have not given the utilization certificate. I would not like to challenge anybody, but I have showed you on the email where this misguidance came from, which department, and they cannot answer an email whether the utilization certificate is pending, yes, or whether the utilization is pending, no. They cannot answer. Means what? You have made a mistake, apologize. Don't apologize to me. You all go and tell the Chief Minister. He also knows. I will call the landlord and ask him whether we can occupy the home for the next 2 days. We thank the press media for having patience with us. It took some time. Monday, the Honorable Chief Minister will call us. The Honorable Chief Minister addresses the issue. We are not looking for money. We are looking for a policy. The policy says you have to give the Aadhaar card. The policy also says IPHP prescription is the valid document. If you don't want to accept the policy, then take these people ना. आणि उलोवपाचें काय ना सर. कितल्या फावटी उलयतलो? आमी तेच उलयता न्हू. तू कितें म्हणटाय? तुजे कडेन आधार कार्ड ना. आमी कितें म्हणटा? आमचे कडेन IPHP प्रिस्क्रिप्शन ना. तुका तो IPHP प्रिस्क्रिप्शन लागना. जाल्यार हांकां वॉर न्हू. Because it's going to become an issue, no? See, all these people are Goans. Majority are come from MLAs. 40 of them have come from MLAs. So many MLAs have called the concerned person who is not listening. So many MLAs, we are also going to their house. So many people have gone to the MLAs house. What the MLAs will do? But if the policy is not put by Monday, the state is free to close us down, take all these people because the homes are rented. We don't own any property.
Where you drop them on Monday?
No, we won't drop them. They have said they will take care. So they have said now to go. We have gone. The policy is, will you accept the IPHP prescription? Yes or no? If you accept the IPHP prescription, the problem is finished. Now that is the Chief Minister's call to take. Na?